This is the JAT Garage Door, designed at Louisiana Tech in the spring of 2016 in the Honors 122 engineering class. Do you ever have problems using your wireless garage door opener? Well, look no further than the JAT Garage Door. So how does it know to open? Well, this unique RFID tag passes over this RFID reader that is placed along the driveway, and once it is read, it sends a signal to the microcontroller inside of the garage and opens the door, and then it has a delay that you can self-set, and then it will close back. This switch on top is used to open the garage door to a recommended height. And this switch would normally be placed on the inside of the garage, but we have placed it on the top for better viewing and better demonstration purposes. Alright, 2 servos are used to open the door using high-test fishing line. This is also run by the Arduino Uno that is underneath the garage, that has multiple wires that go to the RFID along the driveway of the garage and to the switch that's mounted on top of the garage. This project was designed using 2 disciplines of engineering: mechanical engineering for the designing of the prototype and cyber engineering for the programming